Kanega skim kadai sangkul tengka nagarta shisna but our posangkul nagarta jungka sangsna kunta
UMP kejelas Rajya Sabha Dr. W.R. Kharluki ubadai State President Berim ke NPP Meghalaya ulah Mudui de Ejahar persya nonglek YouTube channel Shimet halor ke jingpen mi kubor klam nongrim da ke Kynnoh Bamsap ha ke jingpen trekam mega Member of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme MPLA DS Abakran sekilat pathai kubor Dr. W.R. Kharluki ulah penpau bolong ubalaklo ya kano jing toket bat un inoru ya kam MP lada syam makila bat pen sisa ke jing Bamsap na ke jing pentrekam ya ke scheme MP ya kene ke Ejahar ubak Kharluki ulah ujor cek Cyber Crime Police Station persya ya YouTube channel Simet ke baai kerteng RS Kharbani nomor ke jing Kynnoh bude ubak Bamsap bat kadon ke jing Bamsap ha ke jing pentrekam ya ke scheme MP
Kanega skim kadai sangkul tengka nagarta shisna but our posangkul nagarta jungka sangsna kunta MP jungka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ulabat laisin kum MP udah bariok kumpa nyol posangkul limba jungka nega MPLA scheme batum juru MP jungka Rajya Sabha udan ya scheme bagi sorga penengga hak kerbang naga peta kejumuni UMP juga Rajya Sabha hangi dong yang baik balap yang sisa baru batangani ya tu ya gani galing batila ban persisha katno ke MP juga Lok Sabha bagi MP juga Rajya Sabha kilo haga sisnam bagi kesangsam kun ke MP dong menurut peta syaka Google batang type begini www.mplads.gov.in nanta sa klik bat hangi pensel ini syapang kejang kidon sautuli kilan kilolengkap klik nane nagalian kedian hangi bat hilap balatok kuni nanta sa klik yang ane kelotok front release statement bat kanwan kuni MPY statement nanta kali betok state all klik hangi kelap yang baru kijela hapo juga media bat kunjuru yaki union territories ngeklik hangi bata yaga jela megalia klik hangi megalia nanta yaga yaga pang kemudian syakaman kebetok member type kebetok all klik hangi kemudian ke MP juga Lok Sabha kemudian ke MP juga Rajya Sabha minta demi kuat klik yaga ke MP juga Lok Sabha shua minta klik yaga Rajya Sabha tambah minta klik shua yaga Lok Sabha nanta hangi renew iba kadon kene goto view report klik hangi pen sayuni kini hangi penlap ya ke kerdan joki argot ke MP jong ke Shillong Parliamentary Seat bat katura Parliamentary Seat natura kene ka agata sama bat na Shillong udah wa Vincent dan Sabha hagiri Islam guna hangi kadon kene ka total entitlement kabadai cut new clue nanta ga government of India ka release kadai kubah new clue natura bat kendai pun san pukul nasional ka pending kadai hatura sipukul
in my nearly 40 years of politics. So that's why I came to clarify on that thing. I don't know, you may feel that it is silly, but to me it's not silly because I value my value-based politics. So this morning I came up from a YouTuber who tried to present me as an MP that I was corrupt. And not only that, I already complained to the cyber crime. Because the way it was presented, I don't know whether you have seen it or not. The way it was presented to me, I feel it was presented in that way. And then, you know, the way that remarks came, of course, not only for me, all the three MPs. For me, this is what I really value. Right from the day I was in politics, even my mother and father have taught me that whatever I may be, I should try to live with integrity. So that's why I call this press conference. So I have to bring a file. You Kolomba and the meek and yang a simika ba yeladi yang a value ba yakata ba kumunong hot ngam de bo hot ngam de bo hot le buri nga persang ban imbed banyak bet bak nga value kata kapal hikai nga nado pengenang red di mai pa cuma bak ndagami kan ni bak nganda pet ni gitu ki comments hak itu comments si kelak penpa bak indu pulih ya kan ni ke YouTube lala pengi kita yang tu lala pak kita pisah balong ba kumbang itu muni dan mar kata ke dalam on pimene immediately masun yo betul na file ya ka ayu haga cyber ya kan information report na ka cyber crime jonga government of Negeri polis tapi mak pet maki ya kato tengok orang mene on pet scheme jonga arpu lai arpu a kalau ada na DC office punya ada ada clear berborok scheme nak tak like stang itu kiba kim submit utilization certificate kibom submit utilization certificate tu video rumah dimar banga ke scheme jonga ki poi batch ki dorbar snom lani kumon ki school lani hospital bat ki pentre rumah ki bat na ong hang ni le fi lab bokadon ko ke scheme bo ki ong pentre Dr. Kharbani that day I will resign as MP le gadon ki ong bonga pentre jonga na e batch snom kede jongki nangka segawe pak kini keskin dengan aku lah aku sah kencing saya kini kelak dia lut dan Henry memberta ke election di kedang sak sekat tu kini gini nang happen clear to mensua aku por ke skim aku lai ibu nodal officer UDC dengan bu ulu is kasil di kawan ngalong tang recommending authority kisnong gitu sengang recommendation DC nangka UDC pak usaha ayo tu pisah bagi dia benjok si blok. This for example, como I 10 lakhs, ki Aisha ke blok ke Aisha ki beneficiary sanla. Negla ada trace siteng ki submit UC ki sejak sekali siteng berpendak ke kampung kita. Kini ke ya 22 23. Dawan kini ke 23 24 pak kerja aku no kecil ke sistem ada ni. Harga jaka ke Rural Development Department dan Government of India ke layak not through Parliament. Dan ke Parliament pak kayak kebajian online na submit back sa parliament na parliament ki phak sa baro ki DC district tiga point scheme ki bidigo nang take a posiki tiga ya kunta tinanta kumonong pi ong ne tung ong kata gitu ong sapus la jen sapus nem ya politics te nga persang kat ke mengala ban embed ban ya bet hanga kami company is really hard Nomor haduk mentah, ngam dekop ya bengelong bohok, na try and open for application. Any benda sumut ledon bokeno yang di papers, papers bawa uang bawa bam gini kata. Kaya jaman lek nengkong ngan thok baik mengas government. Please write to the CBI to investigate me and lagi lak bangale I'm ready to go to jail. And number 2. Yang file yang defamation case ke YouTube buru bekerja beromengan. Kalau ngayok atau pisah ngam kam pisah ngam angang hanga ke pisah kam dai ke GM. Tu pisah sa asih beduk ke. Ngayok bopli bulan kam. Ngalek unta ke dai manga. Tinanta kumun ong itu baik. Elok transparent la info press. I have 3 bank accounts. It is open for anybody. Oh, sorry. Ngadon 19 bank account. Meneng on Barabada, kedong SBI, minta ke Lanipra, SBI, but HDFC is Lanipra. Anybody kila, find out. Hakakat ni kesenam mo, maybe 40 years, hakakat political career ke dong nanti. Latuk te, lah, tenat ni, bank account tu. Umur suang, ni hikai, no, ngabar badon ni hikai. As teachers, nimyo pension. Ang ambansi ng hat iladi. That for 3 years before I becoming an MP, my wife is feeding me. That was our life. And then these people can speak like this. Ngat iladi ng kita menem mga bet na mga bagay case dong nga. Ito kan ng social media nga taga-taga ha. Ko pupuni put. Long pupuni buas ngotenat bon bam dok put de kumpul. Murok babi long negative. Nothing that is way try lah positive thing.
Kalau balik ke jumi, ini kan senjam nanti kita.
Ang sinjam dong nga menengala lots ko complain about cybercrime. Ito nami na po sa pen. Kusulong batang kata kay no meneki ngala ong daga pre, ong ba. Yang nga ang sunod pen he san pen nang bun tu on top. Dengan nang nami kum gini hiji sang la aslam mu ju kundo si press. Okay, thanks. I can read the press today. Kalong ba ngasngo ba nga hap ben clarify. Ngati ngam la on siya. Numari la dia ngam le. But lagi brio kilap. Nganong MP kesini bikilap ngan resign kum MP. But kum jo ngan quit politics. Wala dengan mood after 2 years nang dengan quit politics kan.
Lawan batai ni bahas. This kind of thing.
No, it's up to the law. Let them investigate first and let them find out. It's up to the law.
Doctor, what is your message in this age of regulated
You see,
media?
with due respect, I never believe in social media. It is just because a friend, I never look at social media, it's just a friend sent it to me. The way I look at it, the way I look at these comments, I'll tell you, social media, what is it? It's a negative vultures who fed on negative carcass. This is social media, to me. I have not ever looked on social media, but today I've looked and my impression is, it is negative vultures who fed on negative carcass. That is social media to me. And it's really, I feel that on social media we should get something which is constructive.